a plastic box 1.5 meter long, 1.5 meter wide, and 65 centimeter deep. So all these are in meters, but this is in centimeter. So whenever you get different values, you should be careful. It is opened at the top. Ignoring the thickness of the plastic sheet, determine the area of the sheet required for making the box and the cost of the sheet for it. If a sheet measures 1 meter square, cost rupees 20. So very first thing is to draw your diagram. So what I'm trying to show over here is you guys can draw a rough diagram. It need not be anything fancy. This is good enough, right? So this is open at the top. Very important to mention this so that you don't mess while calculating things. So it is 1.5 meter long. So this is 150 centimeter. As for every meter, it's equal to 100 centimeter. This is 125 centimeter and 65 centimeter. I like to convert it to a centimeter because it's easy to calculate. Decimals, you guys tend to get confused. Even I get confused, right? While calculating big numbers, it's just a headache. So next is we need to list what is given. So we have the dimensions. So this is 1.5 meter, which is 150 centimeter. Breadth is 1.25 meters, which is 125 centimeter. We need to show the calculation. And height, which is 65 centimeter. Next is to find area wherein the top is open. Very important to make a note, right? And the cost is, for every meter square, it is rupees 20. And now the working. So area of this structure is, see, here is where you have to be careful with. At the top, you have length into breadth. Everything else is B into H, L into H. So there are two of this. So 2BH plus 2LH. All that is okay, but bottom and is there, but not the top. This is 1LB. So don't by heart all the formulas. Understand it, because depending on scenarios, you need to change it. So we have 2 times of B is 125, H is 65, plus 2 times of 150 into 65, plus 2 times of 125 into 150. And now the calculation part. Be smart, calculate things by taking common and things. So in all of this, what is common? 25 is common. Next, which color? Yeah, this. In all of this, 65, 65 and 150, 5 is common, right? So, oh yeah, there's no 2 over here, sorry. And we have 2 into, this is 6, no, 5 into 13, plus 2 into, this is 6 into 13, plus this is how much? 25, taking 5 over here, 25 over here, and from here I'm taking 5, so this will be 30, right? And now again check if there is anything common. We have 2, 2 and 2. So this will be 5 into 2, that is 10. 10 into 25 is 250. Or let me not confuse you guys. I'm taking 2 common. 5 into 13 plus 6 into 13 plus 5 into 6. Right? Wait, I took 2, my bad. 2 into 15. And now we can calculate things. 5 2s are 10 and 250. 250 can be written as 1000 by 4. Then here 13 and 13 is common, so 13 into 11. And here it is 75, right? 25, 75. You can reduce the calculation. I'm just slowing down so that I don't confuse anyone. 143 and 75. So 143, 75, 8. Then we have, this is 128. This is easy to divide with 4, right? Then multiplying with 250. So 5s are, then 50, is it not? Then you have 0 and point, oh, wait, what? Okay, sorry, my bad. 4 for the 16, then dot 0.5. 54.5 and into 1000. I won't do that because this is in centimeter square. I want to convert it to meter square. So 54.5 into 1000 centimeter square. So to convert it to meter square, I need to divide it with 2 times of 100. Since it is centimeter square, so for every meter it is 100, right? So there are 2 hundreds meter square, is it not? So this 0 and this and this. So 5.45 meter square is your answer. So it's a lot convenient to do this. Please understand that you don't need to calculate in meters. If you try doing that, you certainly will go wrong over here. And try to make use of such things. 250, 25 and all of that, you can write it as 100 by 4. 50 can be written as 100 by 2. 500 can be written as 1000 by 2. So try to make use of such things. 150 can be written as 300 by 2. It makes things convenient. And try to keep in centimeter or any value which is, like if everything is in kilometer and one is in meter, convert everything to meters. Okay, so coming back, the cost is rupees 20 for meter square. So this is quite simple. So the cost is equal to the area and the cost per meter square. So this is 5.45 into the cost is what, 20. And this is 10, 9, 10.9 into, okay, 10.9 into 10, right? This is 20. So many. This is your calculation. Again, the whole thing is about calculation. Hardly any concept is there. You have to be careful with what you're doing, especially when they give open boxes. They'll give such questions only. They would like you guys to be aware of what you're doing. And you need to concentrate while doing such calculations. It's very simple, but taking common sense of numbers is what they want to see from you guys. So always the values will be easy to multiply and divide and everything, provided you have to make it so. Okay, so please have look at the calculation part as well, not only and presentation part and everything. So overall, you need to learn a lot from this. Yes, surface area volumes are easy, but provided you learn to be organized over here.